Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Shillong Municipal Board kala Pynbna da Tynghung ha keleng ki benta jong ka Khyndailad ban ajing maham lepa ye ki Nongdie Madan ba ki ben mi no nakiro lenti ka ba ki jushong di jingdi bar ki ben kenria no shaga jaka ba ka sarkar kala Pynkhre na ka benta jongki kata ha parking lot ka badan marprsha bat ka State Bank of India kani ka jing Pynbna ka long ba ki Nongdie Madan ki ben lum daladi hi ye ki tiar kitar jongki shwa ba ka sarkar kan kendang na phang da ka bor namar ba ka sarkar kala dap ai jaka ye ki nrei hadu mentaru kimne shong shaga jaka ba ka sarkar ka ai ki kani ka jingpin kriya ka sarkar ki Nongdie Madan ka dirukum shibenta bat pin kelut ye ki lenti ya Khyndailad namar ba kala khapnya shabapalan
Sarkar Meghalaya da ka jing ajing mo jong ka town vending committee ka pintit Pynbna maya ka jaka yang kali ha ka mala ka bahat drone jong ka muda parking lot ka pinta jong ka road surat bahat khamat jong ka muda complex bat ka jaka yang kali bersha ka SBI main branch da Pynbna ba ki day ki vending zone lani ki jaka bala man shong ke Madan lani ki day ki jaka la mana man shong ke jindi Madan ha paro ki wen ba ki pinta jong ki surat lani ki lenti yan Madan ha Khyndailad kini ki violation ka kon ki kendon jong kata ka street vendors protection of livelihood and regulation of street vending act Ahajan Khatsau but ka Meghalaya street vendors protection of livelihood and regulation of street vending schemes Ahajan Act tinamar kata na batha ya baro kinong shantukan surab footpath ki Madan ye ki certificate of vending COV ki babyang Bakin kibria mo siya ki jaka ki batho haki COV joki hang lani shwa ka arpo ray July Ahajan Arpusan. Anong siya siyo ino ki bangdan ki COV ki babyang bandi ki mar ki mata haki surab batintiyan ni haki road surab ni road lenti na dur banta. Balinda ka ni ka jingpan na batha iki bansang ya no kakam dir mar mata haki surab bat lentiyan Pynbna.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.